how to use the trading robot on the QU Matix Trading Bot app. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open up QU Matix Trading Bot app on your device, and after logging into your account, you will end up within the trading page. From here, tap on Robot at the center, and as you can see, I'm using my demo account, which means I'm not losing any money. Make sure to use the demo account first to get a feel of how the robot trading works before you put in your real money. Now, you can choose the initial amount of investment that you would like to start with. I'm setting this at $50. Now, you can choose to have a duration of 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even more. Let's choose 1 minute, and underneath we have the trading asset. If you click on this, you can see various different trading assets with the highest profit margin that you can find. You can also enable the best trading pair option to find out the one with the most growth potential. Once you have chosen your asset, you can also choose the type of technical indicator to check your progress. Then you have the risk management options. By default, it is set to optimal, which has a medium risk. You can check out various different options to increase or decrease your risk and reward. If you click on the question mark alongside risk management, you can access some guides or FAQs. Now, if you haven't activated your account or your robot yet, then the profit limit is capped to $20, and you cannot turn this off unless you have activated your account fully. But before you activate your robot, make sure to practice without doing so for a good couple of times. After you begin your trade, the trading robot will start making your trades. You can even access the chart by clicking on the Show Chart option. You can stop it at any time by clicking on Stop the Robot, and you can check out the progress within the Deals tab as well. Once your profit limit is reached, you will get this notification asking you to activate the robot to remove this restriction. You can do this later after practicing the robot trading a few more times. If you go into the Deals tab, you can see the total profit that you made. And that is how you can practice robot trading on the QU Matix Trading Bot app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.